Hey guys, if you've been curious about Zapier AI and how it works, this beginner's guide will make it super easy for you. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to zapier.com and create a free account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Zapier dashboard. At the top left, you'll notice an orange Create button. Click that and select Zaps to start building your first automation workflow. Let's go through a simple example together. Imagine you want every Gmail attachment to automatically save into your Google Drive. To set this up, choose Gmail as your trigger app and select the trigger event New Email with Attachment. After that, connect your Gmail account and click Continue. A new window will open where you can choose the inbox or label you want to track. Once that's done, run a quick test trigger to confirm Zapier can detect incoming emails. Next, it's time to set up the action. Select Google Drive as your action app, then choose Upload File as the action event. Connect your Google Drive account, map the file data from Gmail so the attachment gets uploaded automatically, and finally click Test and Publish. That's it, your automation is now live and will run every time a new email with an attachment arrives. What makes Zapier even more powerful is its integration with AI. For example, you can set a trigger for a new Google form response and connect it to Chat or OpenAI. This way, every form submission can instantly generate a personalized reply, a summarized version of the input, or even a ready to publish social media caption. The combination of automation and AI opens up endless possibilities for boosting productivity. That's it, and thanks. I'll catch you all in the next video.